So it finally happened. I finally got my hands on a Samsung Galaxy Fold. And although I did go back and forth, wondering, do I really want this? I've been looking at this since the day that it was announced. So I finally pulled the trigger. Let's do this! What is going on, everyone? It's Tay with Spectacular Gadgets, and in this video you already know what we're about to do. This is the unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy Fold. I finally got my hands on one. I've been eyeing this device for a couple months now and actually been trying to pick it up within the last couple weeks, but they have been totally sold out. So right here I'm just giving you a quick box tour. I did pick up the 512 gigabyte of storage, the silver one, and I'm just pretty much excited to get into this box. So let's go ahead and skip all this and jump right in. Now those specs are looking pretty darn good. I picked this device up from Best Buy and actually ordered it online, and then I had to go and pick it up when it was ready. Doesn't seem like there are too many of these devices available, so I was just really excited to be able to finally get my hands on one. Removing the lid off the box reveals the device with care instructions, so we'll take a look at that. Let's see what else is inside of the box. So what I see is unfold the future, meet your Galaxy Fold, so giving you an introduction to the device. Here we have Galaxy Fold Premier Service details, and I am unable to get the screen replacement offered due to me purchasing it well after December 31st, 2019. The next item is a box, and it appears to have accessories and manuals. So opening the box, you do have the case. That's the first thing that I see, but pulling it out completely, you have the quick reference manual. Get the most out of your phone, so this is probably tips. And then you have the terms and conditions. And after that, there is instructions on how to apply the case. It seems fairly easy. Here is the SIM ejection tool, and behind that, you have your two-part case. It has a carbon fiber pattern. It's a little slippery. You do have fold on the bottom. Next up, you have a pair of Galaxy Buds, which is a nice touch. They do charge wirelessly, and you can charge them on the Fold. So that is pretty cool. They include an adaptive fast charging brick. Also included a Type-C adapter. Inside of this little box, we have the charging cable, and we have earbud tips and wings for the Galaxy Buds. Here's everything that you get inside of the box. Here are the care instructions. You can pause the video if you'd like. I'm gonna go ahead and just continue on and take the plastic off of the device. Here she is. Here is Foldina and all her glory. You can go ahead and take a look and see that you can see that little crease in the middle. It's not really drastic though, but you can totally see it. So let's go ahead and just take a quick look around the device. You have the speakers, the Type-C, the microphone, the antenna bands, and you see here are the little T that they added on when they refreshed this device. And so this helps with keeping dust and dirt and stuff out. And closing it for the first time felt really good. It's a smooth closing transition. You have Samsung branding. It looks actually pretty cool, like follow the rainbow. Here we have the triple camera along with the flash on the bottom. Here's your fingerprint sensor, your power Bixby button, up and down volume keys, your SIM tray, no expandable storage on this device. Powering on the device, woohoo! This is exciting, guys. So we're powered on and it says let's go, so you know how this goes, the whole setup process. I am going to take a lot of information, or all the information, from my Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus, and we're just going to do the smart switch. I'll go ahead and put that pin in, and this knows that we're going to go ahead and connect and sync up the information. choose a backup to restore. Here we come to the face recognition setup. And so we'll go ahead and set this up and see how this does. I'll hit continue. I'm gonna go ahead and use a pen as usual. No, continue. And it will register my face. That was pretty quick. Welcome to your Galaxy Fold. We'll hit next. Here you have a nice animation telling you how to use some of the features on the device. It also shows you how to do multitasking. You can use 3 apps and the sidebar allows you to do that. Next, before you get started, again, they're giving you some warnings on what not to do with the device in order to keep it running just fine. We'll hit done. Then it takes us right to the home screen where we have a nice butterfly wallpaper going on there. Bring the rest of your stuff. You can bring everything from Galaxy Note 10 Plus. So let's go ahead and bring it. Bringing everything over took about an hour to do. Next up, I want to scan my fingerprint. You'll go ahead and place your finger on the side. That's where the fingerprint scanner is located. I'll fast forward this, but I am using my pointer finger and my right thumb. And we're done. So next up, let's go ahead and test it out. The device is closed and my finger will go now. Let's do it again. See, that's pretty quick. One last time, close up. Testing face unlock with it closed, with it open. Works. Now, before I forget about it, let me go ahead and put the included case on. I'm not going to peel off the stickers because I do have another case coming that has a little more protection. Like I said, this case that was included is fairly thin. It's very easy to put on. It's just simply snapping it on. So that's the back, and then putting on the front. You see, it takes a half a second of that, and voila, you have your case on. It does look pretty good, but it's just too thin for me to be comfortable rocking it outside of the house. It has nice cutouts so you can directly hit the buttons or the fingerprint sensor as needed. What do you guys think? How do you think Foldina looks in her new gear? So opening and closing the device is fairly easy. It's very smooth. But next up, I want to go ahead and take a look, real quick look at audio and video, how loud this thing gets and how nice the viewing angles are. I will test this out using my Jamaica trip video, so check it out. My first impression is pretty much wow. I do really enjoy this device. It is a delicate phone, more delicate than any of my other devices, but it can do a lot, and it just is such a different type of feel to actually have a foldable device. This is one that's probably going to stay in my collection. I do still want to spend a lot more time with this device, and see, what else it has in store for me or what I have in store for it. The form factor is just so cool. Just like that, it's a tablet. So that just about wraps it up for this video. I want to thank everyone for taking the time to chill with me as we go through this journey. And until next time, everyone, I want you all to have a spectacular day. Later.